Tired of manually adding remote work days to your calendar every week? Learn how to set up a recurring remote work availability in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through creating an event, setting recurrence for weekdays, and adding details. By the end, your calendar will automatically show your remote work hours. Start by clicking on the Create button. Then, select Event from the drop-down. Now, enter a title for your availability block. I'll type Remote Work Hours, but feel free to use any title you prefer. Next, pick the date for your first workday. Click on the Time button to set your working hours. Choose your starting time from the list. Then, click the Time button again. And select the ending time. Click on Does Not Repeat to open the recurrence options. You can then choose Every Weekday for a regular schedule. Now, click on More Options to access additional settings. Add any extra details in the description field if needed. Click the Calendar drop-down menu. Choose your preferred calendar to add the event to. Finally, click Save to confirm your availability. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.